Here are 3 basic things to know about hand sewing. First, how to quickly knot the thread so you can start sewing. Wrap the thread around your index finger, then use your thumb to roll the thread between your fingers. This starts the knot. Now pull the thread and use your fingernail to tighten the knot. With practice, it'll take a second or less to make a solid knot that you can start sewing with. Second, how to hold the needle. Use your thumb and index finger to hold and guide the needle, and use your middle finger and ring finger to hold the thread at the eye of the needle so it doesn't unthread. Third, how to knot the thread when you're done sewing or just before you run out of thread. Start a small stitch with the needle and wrap the thread around the tip 3 times. Then pull the needle through while you put pressure on the thread to keep it from knotting too early. Use your fingernail to tighten the knot, then do it again. 1, 2, 3, and through. Then you can make a large stitch and snip the thread to hide the tail.